In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to use the Campaign Template Builder. First, select Campaign Templates under the Marketing tab. From there, you will choose one of the three options in the Campaign Templates page. For this video, I will go ahead and choose Add Email Campaign Template. Once you have made your selection, you will select the initial client that the campaign template will be placed under. After choosing your client, go ahead and create a name for your new template. Once you have created your name, you will then build the actual design for your campaign template. For this video, I will choose Email Builder. Once you have created an email design to your satisfaction, simply click the Save button, followed by the Submit button from the previous page. You have now successfully created and saved a campaign template. Once successfully creating a campaign template, you will now be able to clone the template to other clients. Simply search for the name of the template that you created. Once you have found the template, click Clone. Select the new client that you want to add the template to, and then create the name for it. From there, simply click Submit. You have now successfully cloned the campaign template to a new client. Campaign templates can be assigned to either current or newly created campaigns found in the campaign options under the Marketing tab. I'm going to restart that, Todd. Hold on, I'm going to pause this. Campaign templates can be assigned to current campaigns, or they can be assigned during the creation of a new campaign. Simply click on Select Template option in the Campaign Builder. From there, you will see the different templates that have been assigned to the client selected for the campaign you are editing or creating. Once you have made your selection, simply click Submit to save your changes. This concludes the tutorial for the Campaign Template Builder. Thanks for watching.